The fan's off in this one. We're gonna listen to the motor. Pretty much exactly the same. The door's... oh, seriously? Fans on this one as well. Well, that's annoying. Building 1 zone F. Building 2 actually.
Level 1.
Level 1. I guess indicator's still cheaper than I thought they would. I thought that'd be like glass.
Ground floor.
I think the 5400 AP one's a better quality. Well, that one starts up pretty fast. Level 1.
Level 1.
Level 1. Last ride. Ground floor. There's a gym. Center management. So I used to think that if you weren't at this gym you couldn't ride it, but then I realised it's talking about the gym entering the gym, not the lift. I thought it did not bring a non-member into the lift, not to the gym, whatever. Here it is. I don't even know where the motoring of this one is. Okay. Some doors are closed. This doors are better condition.
Ground floor.
And there we go. That's that lift's done.